Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Much like Viagra, Cialis relaxes the smooth muscles and arteries inside the penis. At the same time, it also increases blood flow to the penis. When aroused, this combination of relaxation and increased blood flow allows the penis to fill with blood, which results in an erection.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cialis. Take 10 mg of Cialis at least 2 hours before you are ready to engage in sexual activity. Cialis can be taken on a full stomach following meals, and the effect of medication may last up to 36 hours.
Take our lead.
Upping your dose of Cialis increases your chances of serious side effects and damage. Serious side effects may include low blood pressure. A higher dose may increase risk of dizziness and fainting, chest pain.
Take our lead.
Cialis may still be effective up to 36 hours after taking the tablet. Do not take Cialis more than once a day. Cialis 10 mg and 20 mg is intended for use prior to anticipated sexual activity and is not recommended for continuous daily use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.